Hello students, today we will learn about the displacement reaction. So basically there are two types of displacement reaction. One is single displacement and one is double displacement reaction. So here I am going to explain about the single displacement reaction. So first you have to know about what is single displacement reaction. In this reaction, a highly reactive element displaces less reactive element from its solution. So what will happen in this reaction and how, what will be the change? So in a beaker I have taken a copper sulfate solution which is blue in color. Okay, so this is copper sulfate solution. You can see this is the blue color copper sulfate solution. And what will happen when we add some iron nails or iron powder in it? So this is iron powder, and when we add some amount of iron powder in this copper sulfate solution, so what will be the change of the solution? Okay, so how this copper sulfate solution is reacting with iron powder? So according to the reactivity series, the iron is more reactive than copper. So in this reaction, when iron displaces copper from its copper sulfate solution, the color of the copper sulfate solution, that will be blue, and it changes or now turns into green color. You can easily see the green color of this solution. And now the total chemical reaction of this experiment is that Fe, that is iron, plus copper sulfate gives FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate with copper. So before the reaction, the color of the copper sulfate solution was blue, and after the reaction the color of the copper sulfate solution turns into green, that is now it is ferrous sulfate. So how this is the single displacement reaction, in which iron completely displaces the copper from its copper sulfate solution. So in this reaction, we need to know about another term, and that is exothermic reaction. So during this reaction, when iron nail react with copper sulfate solution, some amount of heat energy is released also. You can easily feel the heat is released by touching this beaker. When I touch this beaker, some amount of heat energy is released, and when in the reaction heat energy is released, that is called exothermic reaction. So this single displacement is also called exothermic